Okay, so this is going to be a video real quick showing you how to change the rear wiper on a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. What we're going to be replacing it with today is the Bosch R1116 rear wiper blade. This is the Spectrum DirectFit. So if you notice, whenever you try to change this out, you raise this up and you can't actually access the wiper. If you'll come back here to this, spread these tabs right here, and then this raises right up, and then that will allow you to pull it up to where you can actually access it. And then just bend it back. This particular one, once you bend it back, you can pull it right out and it comes loose just like that. You can see this one had started to separate. So then we'll take our new one, put it right back in the same way that we put that one on, lower it back down, shut this back, and we're all done. Quick and simple. Y'all have a good day.